What's up, y'all? So check this out. Never mind the crumbs on my face because I've been eating. But anyway, I want to show y'all something real quick. So I use a DJI Pocket and a Pocket 2 when I'm doing my video, right? And I got like one of those spare battery packs around here somewhere, but I don't know where it is. And sometimes when I'm doing my videos, I can always use some extra juice. Now, a lot of times I plug it up in my Jeep or something like that and charge it up while I'm going, or let it charge while I'm using it. But sometimes if I got it in my hand on a tripod or something like that and I need to record for a length of time, I need some extra juice. So that's where the battery pack came into play. But for some odd reason, I can't find my battery pack. And I know I had two of those things. So I said, well, no big deal. I'll just go online and buy another one. I could have went to a store or something, but I really didn't want to go out and get the doggone thing. So I was looking online. So I go on Amazon and get this battery pack. It's by a company called STOON. Never heard of them before, but say, all right, we'll give it a shot. STOON. That's how I spell. So I get this thing and I unbox it and get it out the box. And I'm like, man, this thing's pretty cool. It's got dual LED lights in the front, and it's got a sun charger where you, solar charger, my bad, where you can charge this thing outside. Or it's got, once I get it open, it's got all these ports back here. It's got one right there where you charge the battery pack itself back up. And it's got a Type-C slot right there where you can charge up your phone. It's got two USB slots. Or if you sit your phone on top of it, you can wirelessly charge your phone if your phone is capable to wireless charge. So I said, man, this thing is pretty cool. So I got to go out here and do something on my lawnmower, and I need some light. I got floodlights and all those things around here somewhere, but I want to try this out and see just how bright those LEDs are. Now, I don't expect it to be really bright, because I mean, you ain't working with but two LEDs. Unlike my floodlight, where you can take that thing and shine down the street. You could spotlight there with that thing. So hold on, we're gonna take this STOON battery charger light thing and take it back there and see what we're working with. Hold on. So I know y'all can't see nothing because it's dark as all get out, but I'll give y'all some light here in a second. So it says if you hold the power button on the side, it lights up. So let's see. Oh my goodness, got me in the eye. Oh, I can't see nothing. I'm blind. Good grief. After I blind myself. So this thing says it has a few different modes. So I guess if you turn it on, it stays on. Click the button, it dims one, goes into a, oh wait a minute, it's a sequence. I thought it was gonna keep flashing the, okay, yeah, I guess that's emergency. Yep, there we go, strobe light, break dance, and that's off. But we need it on. So, this is what I'm looking at, my deck. And what I did was I bought I was gonna put a bagger on the back, but instead of putting a bagger on the back, I bought a mulching kit. But for some odd reason, the mulching kit for this thing, because this used the S-blades, is kind of unavailable. So I got another one in hopes that it'll fit. So let me put this thing here somewhere where the light can shine. Okay, now we working. So yeah, this is the, I ain't mean to shine it in your face like that, trying to keep it over here. But this is the light. Well, that's it. It's the STOON battery pack LED light. It was bright enough to do what I needed to do. Now, you gotta remember, it's not a spotlight, it's a flashlight. And for two LEDs, it wasn't that bad. And I'm too lazy to run a light out there in my shed out there, so I had to actually use this thing to find something out there, and it was pretty bright in there too. So hey, to me it was worth it. Not just for the light, because that's not even the reason why I needed it, but as a battery pack to power my video cameras and to charge up my phone if I'm in a bind. Because when you out on the trail somewhere, you out camping, something like this comes in real handy, because you always need power, right? Especially in an emergency situation where your phone or somebody you out there on them trails with, their phone down, dead or something like that. And with me doing this video all the time, I need the extra battery pack. And because you can charge this thing up solar and you don't really have to have it charging in your car in a wall socket or something like that, that's what makes it even better. So check them out. STOON, STOON on Amazon. It's like 30 bucks. Hey, get you one. To me, it was worth it because of all the features. So I'll check y'all later. Peace out. Have fun. Don't forget to smile and go out and change your life. Later, y'all.